Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're looking for a job in the UK that offers sponsorship and helps you fulfill your dreams of moving to the UK, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about all the jobs available in the UK right now, so remember to watch all the way till the end. If you're new, I'm Ashika and I talk about moving across the world for that dream job or to study. So with that, let's dive in. Before we start off, just a word of caution. There are tons of scams going on in the UK when it comes to hiring of foreign workers. So please be careful and do not pay anyone when it comes to getting a job. It's a long and complicated topic, so I'll make a separate video on this. But in the meantime, remember to do background checks on any job that you apply for. Next, I wanted to cover a basic topic today, the types of jobs that offer sponsorship. Now, understandably, everyone wants to move to the UK to have a better life, but you need to understand and remember that not all types of jobs offer sponsorship to move to the UK. It's important for you to know this so you can align your expectations accordingly. Because there's no point of dreaming of moving to the UK if the role that you're interested in will not offer sponsorship no matter what. Now, how do you check it? It's very simple. You head over to this page and hit Ctrl F. Now type in the role that you're interested in. Think it's the role of a hairdresser. Type in hairdresser. The job code is 6221 and it's very clearly mentioned that the job is not eligible for sponsorship. So if you are a hairstylist or a hairdresser and you want to move to the UK, you will either need to get a different skill set, which will help you get sponsorship, or maybe you need to consider a different country. Sometimes there are jobs that offer sponsorship even though the role is not eligible in the first place. In this case, there are three possibilities. Now, either the employer has made a mistake and they're not aware that this role doesn't offer sponsorship, or it's a fake posting, or they're trying to make use of some loophole. In these situations, you need to be extremely careful. My suggestion is not to go forward because honestly, it would be very risky. Another question I get very often is whether a certain type of salary is sufficient to live in the UK. Now, very often salaries in the UK are not the highest considering the cost of living. So it's important for you to do that calculation. But another thing you could possibly consider is getting a second job. Many visas in the UK allow you to do a second job up to 20 hours per week with a different employer. If it's more than 20 hours, you would need a second sponsorship from the employer that you're working with. And this will help you take on additional work and it might help ease off the financial pressure. You can find all the details of the second job over here. Now, moving on to what we're here for, jobs in the UK that offer sponsorship. Like always, we have two sections, the healthcare roles and the mixed bag, which contains roles from across all industries. Some of these roles are due to expire soon, so it's in your best interest to apply as soon as you can. Starting off with healthcare roles. DF Booking Recruitment Services is looking for UK overseas nurses and carers. Alliance Dental Care is looking for an associate dentist in Bournemouth. It's also looking for an associate dentist in Hertfordshire. Alliance Dental Care is also looking for an EU or PLVE dentist. Smile Dental Care is looking for a dental nurse. Recruitment Services is looking for a staff nurse. They're also looking for a senior ward nurse. Tame and Wild Limited is looking for a veterinary surgeon. Additional Resources is looking for an occupational therapist. Medical Staffing is looking for a salaried GP. S&P Care Services is looking for a care professional. Commute House Clinic is looking for a dermatology clinician. West London Pharmacy is looking for a pharmacist. Pharmacist Jobs is also looking for a pharmacist. BVS Vets is looking for a veterinary surgeon. And Physiocare is looking for a physiotherapist. The NHS is looking for a rotational occupational therapist, a CT specialist lead radiographer, and a healthcare science practitioner, and also a registered dental nurse. And when you create your CV for these roles, something for you to keep in mind is what you actually wanted to achieve out of this exercise. You obviously want a job, but for you to get the job, the employer or the recruiter needs to be impressed with your CV. They're only going to be impressed with your CV if your CV tells them what they want to hear versus what you want them to know. If you use your CV as a tool to talk about yourself, you are not getting that job. Instead, use your CV as a tool to tell the recruiter what they need to hear, which is how you're going to be perfect for this particular role. And remember to quantify your points as much as possible to show or highlight the work that you've done. Now, if you've been doing all of this and you're still facing rejections or not hearing back at all, and you don't know what to do next, you can consider getting an expert to look over your CV and tell you exactly what you need to fix, which is why we've hired a recruiter so that they can give you this feedback that can help you get those interview calls. And if you need to book a session with them, you can head over to this page and book a consult. Now, moving on to the mixed bag. Hazelhurst Solicitors is looking for an experienced caseworker or solicitor. DF Booking is looking for international teachers. Nature's Way Foods is looking for a multi-skilled engineer. Baltic Apprenticeships is looking for a digital marketing apprenticeship. Spencer Clark Group is looking for an audit assistant manager. Randstad Technologies is looking for a lead Python developer. Langham Recruitment is looking for a senior optical engineer. Platform Recruitment is looking for an electronics design engineer. HR Go PLC is looking for an aircraft APU service supervisor. Holt Executive is looking for a senior ground systems engineer. Holt Executive is also looking for a product assurance manager. HR Go PLC is looking for a licensed aircraft engineer. Langham Recruitment is looking for an FPGA network engineer. Greenfolk is looking for a quantity surveyor. Platform Recruitment is looking for a power electronics engineer. Zenovo is looking for an embedded firmware engineer. Candidex is looking for a nursery practitioner. Jessamine Dean Group is looking for a senior sous chef. A confidential company is looking for a Thai sous chef or a head chef. Potential Resources is looking for a shift maintenance engineer. Evan Craig is looking for a senior or principal geotechnical consultant engineer. Brunning & Price is looking for a roving chef. The New Horseshoe Bar and Grill is looking for an Indian chef. Bombay to Mumbai is looking for a tandoori and curry chef. Ajmer Limited is looking for a head chef. UK Mate is looking for a business partner for short-let property portfolio. Ignis Global Recruitment is looking for a senior fire surveyor. Skills Provision is looking for an MEP planner and also for a master technician. And that's a wrap. Comment below if you have any questions, and I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.